Hello, this is part 2 of a 2-part series designed to provide tips for sellers for maximizing the amount of money you get for your home in the shortest amount of time possible and with the fewest hassles. So if you missed out on the first 6 tips that I provided, check out the video description below because I'm going to provide a link to that first part of this video series. And today we're going to talk about tips 7 through 12 to maximize the sale of your property. Tip number 7 is to depersonalize your home. This is all about neutralizing or removing the personal aspects of your property, because when you have buyers coming into your home, you want them to imagine them and their family living in the property, not them living with you and your family. Tip number 8 is to keep your home spotless at all times. When buyers walk in that door, you want them to get the absolute best impression of your property and the way you've treated your property over the years that you've owned it. So it's best to keep your property spotless, spick and span, and in great showing condition at all times. Tip number 9. Whenever possible, you should leave your home prior to buyer visits and open houses. Buyers often find it uncomfortable and awkward to view your property with the seller's home because they don't feel they have the privacy to discuss it openly. Tip number 10. Don't flood your home with strong perfume smells. Quite often, buyers assume that you're actually using those perfumes to mask other problems within the home. Whether it be smoking or mold issues, buyers often make that assumption that it is masking another smell. Additionally, some buyers actually have allergies to strong perfume smells, so you don't want to take their experience away by having a strong smell in your home during their visit. Tip number 11. Pets can often pose a significant challenge when selling a home. While we often love our furry animals at home, not everybody has pets, and sometimes people even have a fear of certain pets. So it's best to get them out prior to visits. Tip number 12 is to give me a call. I'll keep you informed every step of the way of the other 11 tips, and I'll do whatever it takes to maximize what you obtain for your home in the shortest amount of time possible and with the fewest hassles. So thanks for joining me, and if you're thinking about selling your home, give me a call today.